YouTube, it's your boy Trap Waves, man. In today's video, I'm doing a washing style and I'm doing a clay and lay. I'm gonna do a voiceover to give you step-by-step process of what I'm doing in this video. It's about to be a dope video, man. So hey, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and hit that notification button so you can be notified of my next video, man. It's your boy Trap Waves, man. Stay tuned. So the shampoo I will be using today is Argan Oil of Morocco. It's a dope shampoo. You know, it don't have sulfur aid in it, and this is exactly what I use, you know, every time I wash my hair. So when it comes to all the products and everything that I'm gonna be using in this video, as you can see, is right here. So I have my boo-boo cap and I have my do-rag. I have a hard carrier brush, I have a medium brush and a medium long. Those are the brushes I will be using in this video. I have my oils, everything that I'll be adding to my clay and lay. I got Aztec healing clay right here, apple cider vinegar. I have the bowl. Only thing I'm missing is a plastic spoon. So just make sure when you're using this product, doing the clay and lay, always use a plastic spoon, okay? Don't use a metal spoon. It'll mess up the whole process of doing the clay and lay. Don't ever use anything metal. As you can see, I got everything here, so I'm about to start by washing my hair. So let's get this thing started. Okay guys, what I'm doing now is I'm wetting my hair before I actually apply the soap or shampoo. Now this is the first wash. You always want to wash your hair first before you actually style your hair like you want it. So basically what I'm doing is washing my hair, making sure I get all the dirt, all the grime, just everything that's just nasty in my head right now, which is not really dirty, but I'm making sure I actually have my hair clean. Now I'm massaging my scalp. Now sometimes I do it one time and sometimes I do it twice, but in this video I wash my hair twice and then I style my hair. Now doing the washing style is a waiver best friend. I mean, you can easily bounce back from a washing style, especially when you're woofing. Man, I got soap everywhere, man. Okay, so that is a shampoo brush. I bought it from a beauty supply store. I think it was like $1. But now I'm adding third shampoo to my head, and now I'm about to actually style my hair. So I'm putting it like I want it. But when I first start using the shower brush, I'm gonna start from my crown area and work my way around. When it comes to the shower brush, I'm talking about it feel amazing on your scalp. Like just looking at this right now make me want to go wash my hair. Yeah, I'm basically styling my hair, putting it like I want it, but I am brushing my ankles, you know, my pattern kind of with this shower brush. Okay, so now I'm about to make mix my clay and lay together, so I'm about to measure it. Now before somebody say something, I know that I added too much Aztec clay into this bowl, but when I put it all in my head, I'm gonna actually add it to my face also. It's good for your skin, so. And if you don't know what the clay and lay do, it basically detoxes your hair, takes all of the stuff that you can put in your head, like product wise, you know, it basically, you know, puts you back at square one. But we also add oils to our clay and lay, you know, to, you know, not have our hair dry. You know, we want it to be moisturized. We want to have oils in our head, because I wash my hair, as you can see, and I strip my hair of its natural oils. So I'm adding apple cider vinegar to my mixing bowl. Apple cider vinegar is really good for your hair. So, like I said at the beginning, you always want to use a plastic spoon. Never use anything metal when you're doing the clay and lay. Now I added too much, so I'm adding more apple cider vinegar. Now right now I'm just mixing it, but when I add my oils and everything, I'm gonna actually make sure that my consistency is pudding-like, okay? It's like pudding. You don't want your clay and lay to look like pancake mix, okay? Not that runny pancake mix anyway. But yeah, now I'm adding my products, as you can see. Now, you have to make sure that when it comes to essential oils, you actually probably putting like 2 to 3 drops in there. Like that's tea tree, so I'm gonna actually measure it, and I'm only putting like a drop in there because tea tree is very strong. Now I'm mixing it, I'm whipping it. Whip it real hard. Whip it real hard. Yeah, man. Alright, so I'm unragging from my washing style. And see, that's why I like washing my hair with the actual shampoo that I use, because it has a shine to it. I mean, for my hair texture anyway. So every time you start off, you know, doing the clay and lay, you want to start off in your crown area and then work your way out. So now I start brushing. And when I say the clay and lay is like it's amazing. Like the clay and lay will have you laid, you know. When you woofing, for all you guys out there that want to woof 10, 20, 30 weeks, the clay and lay will have you laid. So I added water and I have oils mixture in their water also. So now I started adding it with my hand. I don't need the utensil that I use to spread the clay around. I can actually, you know, use my hands now. So you see I got my crown in place. So now I'm about to start brushing more. And also I want to say, you know, shout out to Kyron Knight and OG Glenn Lewis. It's a lot of other members that's on Facebook pages that kind of show me, you know, what the clay and lay is, but I had to, you know, give a shout out to them, because when they do the clay and lay on Facebook, they definitely, you know, spread the knowledge and let everybody know, you know, other ways of doing the clay and lay, like the charcoal method, other type of methods that are very advanced. So what I'm doing right now is basically the basics, okay? But I will, come out with an advanced YouTube video. So now I'm about to rag up. Now this is very important, okay? Now, I learned the hard way, but basically what I'm doing is putting a do-rag on and then putting the boo-boo cap. I am not gonna rag my do-rag up. I'm leaving it hanging like that because it's very hard, when you actually got a do-rag on and it's tied up and you can't even reach the clay. So by me doing this, I actually get all the clay and lay out my head. I get all the clay out my head, basically. Everything, so. And also what I do is I wash my hair in the shower. As you can see, I do it for like maybe 10 minutes. And then I come back and then I actually put my head over a faucet, basically. It can be a sink or it can be in the tub, but I basically want my hair to be hit with like hard water. I feel like this hard water and it's basically gonna push everything out that I got in my head for the most part. So I make sure I clean out the clay. That's one of the most important things, because you can have clay in your head, but you also want to make sure you get it all out your head. If you do the clay and lay and you have a little bit in your head, it's okay. You can easily comb it out or brush it out, but for the most part, you want to make sure you get it all out your head. So I'm ragging up now, and after this, it'll be me drying my hair. And to be honest, it was like 6-7 hours later, because my porosity is like out this world. Like I can wash my hair and it take me like 8 hours for my hair to dry. But as you can see, this is me unragging. So this is my results from doing the clay and lay. So y'all tell me what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know if you think I was doing too much, or you think this method actually works. Hey, the proof is in the pudding. You dig what I'm saying? And just a side note, I actually comb my hair and then I rag back up. I comb my hair at an angle, then I rag back up. But hey, let me know in the comment section what you think about this method. All right, it's your boy Trap Waves.